Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable cheats in your Hytale game and how you can use every cheat in your game. So how to do this, let's get started. First, once you're in your game, just press / or question mark button till it opens this text box. You just have to type op space self and it will give you an operator role. Then what you have to do is again press question mark button and then type help. It will open this box and it will give you all the commands possible in your game. You can check every command individually here, and then if you want to remove the OP from yourself, just type /op remove and your name. Don't type radical shy. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.